I don't touch the half one.
You certainly did.
No, I did the white. Look, 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 look.
And this. Huh, there was only 3 in there, so you obviously took the other 6 out of here.
I did it.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning, everything. Boil tayo ng egg. Gusto niya ng ano. Minimension ito niya noon na gusto niya ng boiled egg for lunch. And then, sabi pa niya, punta daw siya mamaya sa grocery. Mag-grocery daw siya. Bibili siya ng eggplant. And then isda. It's 10 o'clock, so it's better to ano na. Magluto na tayo ng maaga ng egg para may makain siya mamaya. How many egg do you want for boiled egg? For your egg sandwich? 2? How many? 4, 5? Half a dozen? Okay. Isipin natin kasi kakain din ako. Kakain ako 2. Eat 2. Yun lang yung lunch natin, egg. So, mamaya exercise ako, guys. Mag-ano lang ako sit up. Para yung sit up ko is para sa puwet ko talaga. Yung always, goal sa pag-exercise ko, sit up, and then yung mga legs is hindi yung easy sit up lang, sit up na hindi ka gumagalaw, parang tumitigas yung tiyan mo yun. So, ang inaano ko is yung puwet, at saka yung tiyan. Kasi ayaw ko yung puwet na sagi. Yung parang nagbitay na nalubot. Gusto ko yung puwet ko is, pa rin, firm. Like, ganun ba? So, kaya, yun yung inaano ko, puwet at yan, sit up. Sa diet ko is, gusto ko lang pumayat konti para sa mukha ko na hindi sobrang laki. So, alis tayo mamaya. And then, ngayong araw is rainy. Ulan. So, exercise tayo, guys. Kunin natin ito. Guys, it's wind advisory. It's already 12:22 and nag-bake ako. Hindi kami kakain ng meat at hindi din ako kakain kasi alam niyo pina-follow ko si Tami. So, pero nakapag-defrost ako kahapon kasi akala namin kakain kami dito kasi dinner, and then nag-imbita yung kapatid na lalabas kami. So, yun. So, sabi ko, ito, ngayon ko na lang siya lutuin. Ito yung beef pat roast na galing Costco. So, yun na lang yung niluluto ko muna para bukas kay Tami. So, yun, nilagay ko siya doon sa oven. So, yun guys, wind advisory. So, yung wind is 39 wind gust. Ang lakas, lumabas ako ang lakas. Kasi, hinikot ko yung cushion. Kasi nilagay ko yung cushion kahapon, diba, sa back porch. And, so yun, sinicure ko lang yung cushion para hindi lipad. Maganda yung temperature kasi 75 degrees, 74. So, maganda yung temperature pero nakakatakot yung hangin. Lalabas sana ako para i-shower si Roxy. Kasi si Misty yung pinaliguan ko kahapon, diba? Takot ako sa tunog ng hangin. Plano ni Tami mag-grocery para isda mamaya and eggplant. So, let's see kung anong plano niya mamaya. Kasi, magluto ako ng rice kasi kusog ng hangin. And then, mamaya, mag-blackout. Walay tayo, di ba? Mag-brown out, not black out. Guys, i-drive ko lang si Tami para makalabas din ako sa bahay. Mag-ano daw siya. Hindi na nga ako nagbihis ng jacket lang kahit mainit. It's 70 something degree. And masakit din ako sa pusoon kasi mayroon tayo. Come, let's go. Do you have your mask here? Open the garage, please. I-drive natin si Mister.
And he was saying, oh, what's the worst? So he texts back. We can talk to her later when she's out of work. You can't have her texting back and forth at work that she'll lose her job.
Did she?
Yeah, because now Andrea, I want to know.
Oh, she texted the two of you?
Yeah.
Ito yung problema guys sa kapitbahay namin. Yung mga basura nila dito lumilipad sa amin. And malalaman namin na hindi sa amin kasi hindi yun yung basura namin. And then palagi yan dito sa yung bagong kapitbahay namin. Paminsan mga boxes, mga papel, ganun. So yun, ang lakas ng hangin ay grabe. Nyo, sabi pa ni Tami, ako nang kukuha kasi takot ka sa hangin, sabi pa niya. Oh my God, mainit pala talaga, ang init. The wind is crazy. And the wind is crazy, Han. Oh my God, guys. Yung hangin para nailipad yung sasakyan. So my God. Mabuti na andito na si Tami. Yung sasakyan parang ilipad. Oh my God, na ganun-ganun na. Oh, so ginoo ko na kuyapan. Natatakot na ako dito. Oh my God, Han, that's the grass that they don't like. That's the wild one. Dito na si Tami. Grabe yung hangin. Uy, ang lakas talaga. Grabe. Takot na takot ako. Ganun ako. Lakas na yun si Tami. Uy, magtuyok na lang sana ako kasi para hindi ko ma-feel yung sasakyan kasi matatakotin ako, guys. As in talaga sa hangin plus na parang eroplano yung feeling ko, guys. Gumaganong ganun. Ito din yung mga sasakyan dito sa sa harapan at sa gilid ko. Na ganun-ganun na, oh. Sabi ko parang ako nasa eroplano. Uy, dito na siya. Ang bilis niya, buti na lang mabilis kasi ako tinurn on ko yung AC kasi pinatay ko yung sasakyan kanina. And then, sabi ko, i-on natin ito kapag lilipad, ipadagan. Kapag lilipad itong sasakyan na patakbuhin natin. Kaloka talaga. Ay, ang hirap kapag matakot ka sa lahat. Ako sa ulan at hangin together. Magkasama yung dalawa. Yung hangin takot talaga ako. Ulan okay lang pag walang hangin. Pero kapag kasama na yun silang dalawa, or hangin lang, ay ako. Magka-anxiety attack talaga ako. Kanina din may lumilipad na yung cart. yung lalaki doon, sabi pa niya patay. Hindi niya sinabi patay. Nakita ko lang yung mukha niya. Lumabas siya kasi papunta sa kanya cart, tumatakbo. I'm so nervous, Han. The car is like this, Han.
Sorry.
Huh? It's on. He's already eating the freaking grass. I put it on the stairs, start eating. I grab it. I said, "You're not allowed to eat that." Huh? I told him, and he ran away. I'm gonna water it. So, andito na kami sa bahay.
Why?
Oh, it's hot. That's full?
Yes.
Then use that half thing. I really don't touch that, that's why. And do you
You didn't touch
know?
what? You didn't touch this?
I don't touch the half one.
You certainly did.
No, I did the white. Look.
And this. Huh, there was only 3 in there, so you obviously took the other 6 out of here.
I did.
Really?
I did.
There is something wrong. There is something really
Honey,
wrong.
promise, honey, in my mind, I did use this
How
white
you
thing.
made 8 eggs? There was only 3 in there. Where'd you get the other 5?
No, this here.
There was not 8 eggs in there.
No, hon. Honestly,
Hon, there is something wrong to you.
no, there is something wrong with you. Oh my God, you always think that I'm crazy.
Because you are.
Han,
Clearly.
it's like always. I know what I'm doing this morning.
Hon, apparently not. I don't understand how you cannot remember. Really, I don't get it.
I'm not losing my mind yet.
Well, I'd like to say that's true, but
Ay, grabe yung hangin talaga, guys. Grabe talaga. Oh, you
this
got
is
lamb?
the shittiest looking lamb there is.
What the? That's really thin. It says like
And that was the best one they had there.
that's really thin. There's no meat.
Okay.
Okay, this one is bring upstairs. We have a ton of soup downstairs. Okay. And I don't like when we become separated in the shower thing. It's like
We've been that way forever.
you double up. It's like you end up doubling up everything because you don't know what we have in downstairs. Yung dubli-dubli na lahat ng mga nabili mo dong. Ayan ako. So magmarinate tayo ng guys. Binilhan ako ni Tami ng ito yung dinner namin. Can I do? What can I do? Ang dugan ko dumubuto. Roxelli Dada alone. He's in the bathroom. He can't even be having peace of mind in the bathroom because you're always nagging him. Pero Roxy talaga. Gusto niya kung saan yung ama niya, andun din siya sa bathroom. So, gasan lang natin siya para clean salmon. Hello, grabe talaga yung hangin, guys. Look, pati yung ibon, hindi makalipad. Nagbakbak, ganon-ganon yung ibon. Tami is busy cooking, guys. Aligaga sa pagluluto ng kanyang eggplant parm. How many eggplant you're making?
Well, I got 3, but fry them in a pan and you put them in a thing and it cooks the same no matter what. You put them in a tray. Because eggplant, cheese, eggplant, cheese, eggplant, cheese, like that. Layer, layer.
Aligaga. I love you.
I want a piece of pizza.
Yan. Aligaga yan guys. O, tignan niyo yan. Aligaga si Mister. Gusto pala ni Mister yung buhok ko mataas. Halahan, it's starting already. Why you put so much oil?
I know.
And you don't even turn it on.
No, I didn't turn on yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to bring it.
Like that. The wind is getting stronger and stronger. So he's making eggplant parm. He has an egg over here. Allah, he put some creamer?
Yeah.
Creamer?
Yeah.
Do you have a recipe? No? Just guessing?
Yeah.
Han, you put... and then he has like a thing over there, powdery, and he has a sauce over here heating slowly, and oil to fry on the eggplant. So that's his thing today. His job is aligaga sa pagluluto. Whatever he can find powder, guys. So he will add it. So yung salmon ko is ando na sa sa oven. You don't make a long pan. This one and this one. This is the best one.
Did you put your fish in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
I was just wondering because I know you had the oven with thing in before.
Guys, tinulungan ko si Mister kasi ang tagal yon. Ito na siya. Nagdagdag lang ako ng dalawa para ilagay dito. Tinulungan ko na lang siya. And meron lang leftover na eggplant. Ang gagawin ko is ipa-fry ko siya and then i-dip ko na lang siya sa vinegar and soy. Yan. So, yun siya. And then this is done. Ang ginawa ko is ang ginawa ni Tami is ang ginawa ko ito, nilagay ko siya sa paper towel para yung oil sok ditong dapita. Yan, para hindi siya mag-oily. That's what I do. And then pabayaan lang siya dyan. Ipa-fry ko lang itong eggplant now. Okay, I'm going to fry this too. Just eggplant alone. No, nothing. No salt, no pepper kasi I will dip yan mamaya. Idudo natin yan sa suka. Hey guys, linis lang ako dito. Tapos na yung pagluluto. And then yung leftover na eggplant, ito siya. Ina-fry ko siya. Inano ko lang siya sa mga ganon-ganon kay para yung oil lalabas. And ito, tapos na. Pagod yung guys, na dry. Pero masarap yan guys, ganun. Napapagod ako sa kakahugas, so para diretso na. Tinulungan ko na si Tami kasi agaga siya guys, yung kapatid fix kapatid niya. Silang lahat nagtitext silang actually tatlo. Yan, may mga ganap lang. And ano pa ba? Well, at least tapos na ako sa pagluluto. Hinihintay na lang namin yung eggplant na maluto. At yung si Tami ba, busy sila sa kakatix. Ay. May ganap kasi guys. yung isang kapatid nila may ganap sa buhay. Kaya yun. Luko-luko kasi yung asawa nun. Yung bunso. Luko-luko kaya. Yun, nag-usap silang tatlo. Hi! Natural lang yan sa mag-asawang ganun. Hugas-hugas pag may time. Dahan-dahan para matapos. Here's Tommy's eggplant. A lot of water. It's the sauce. Don't throw that out. So, Tommy's eggplant looks good. I hope it tastes good.
Me too.
And so we're gonna hit this because this is good for dipping.
Okay.
And the sauce, because especially you have a lot of sauce. Okay, that like that. Oh, it really give me a lot. Oh my god. Han, stop your mouth. Okay, here you go.
But yeah, I should have skinned the eggplant. Parmesan should have been skinned.
Yeah, I told you, but you
Tell me, leave the
didn't.
skin on.
Oh no, no, you don't. You have to leave the skin. Is the dog inside? Okay.
You kidding me with the wind out there?
The wind is crazy. Ay, grabe naman itong hangin ay. See, bye-bye.
Hey guys.
Ay guys, nakatulog ako dito eh. So, ngayon, yun kapit, nakatulog ako. Sumakit kasi yung mata ko. Anyway guys, salamat guys sa inyo sa panonood ha. Wala masyadong ganap ngayong araw talaga. Kasi wala naman kaming ginagawa. Anyway guys, salamat guys. Info na to ditong vlog. Ang lakas ng hangin sa labas. Anyway, bye. Good night.